Well, hey guys, in today's video, I want to talk about these nice zero gravity chairs right here. These were sent to me to review, but I'm super excited about these. I like them because number one, they're lightweight, so they're easy to move around and carry around. I've had to just, get them out of the box and put them over here and move them elsewhere. Works really well. They fold back up. I do want to show you guys that while we're looking at it. So you can see this. It has this little tray right here that you can take on and off, which is nice. It also comes with you see different cup holders. You can even have like a coffee one, a little mug holder there, cup holder, two little other holders, whether cell phone, other things you want to put there, really easy. Then they can fold back up on themselves. Look at that. I mean, super easy there. Then you're ready to carry them like this. Doesn't weigh much at all. So really nice on that. I'll just set that one there. Then getting in right here, super easy. I mean, again, really nice. You can lean it back, has multiple different settings, kind of right here or all the way back, whichever one you want to do. Really nice on that. It also has a lock, so say you want to be all the way back, something like this, lock it in and you're ready to roll. So really cool right there. You see the lock, then it won't let you move. Then you can move it back. So easy access to your cup holders, mugs. So if you're going to be having coffee out here in the morning, you can do that. So it's really nice. You also have a headrest. So you got a headrest back here behind you. That's really cool. Again, if you're going to be just laying by the pool, we're going to probably put these next to our pool over there. So you got that option. You can just, again, lean back and these will go all the way back. You got a little footrest right here. You can see a little footrest on the bottom there. So that's nice. Again, super nice, super comfortable. Got some arm rests. Really cool with that as well. And then, like I said, you can lock it. Or if you want to move it around, you can move it around. So really cool on that one. But overall, they feel great. They're super comfortable. I think these are awesome. Super glad that we got these. And we're going to either put these right next to our pool. You can put them on your deck. You can take them to the lake with you. Take them to the beach because they're so comfortable and so lightweight. And again, something we're definitely going to use a lot of. And so, but overall, really nice. I'll show you just a side view. You can see the side view right here. Nice. Got the holder. And you can take this off and on if you don't want it. You can take that off. But you can see the, the whole setup right here. And also easy to lean back. Lean it back. Again, lock it. Little locking mechanism. Super easy right there. So it won't move. Got the support under here as well. And then you got the support all the way with the chair itself. So definitely a game changer. Something we're super excited about. You can put it anywhere you want to. On your deck. Like I said, your pool deck. Your deck on your house. Backyard, right here in the driveway, whichever place you want to put it, you can put it there. These are going to do a good job. Garvee's a great brand. I've used a lot of their stuff. They work really well. I don't know about longevity. We haven't had them for a long time, just a little while. They've lasted so far, so I think it's going to be something we're going to enjoy for a long time. But overall, I think it's a great item. If you are interested, you can check it out. I will have a link down below, and you can check it out down there. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.